is Michelle Bandel, and I'm the Director of EXCEL, Experiential Courses and Engaged Learning. I am an alum of SUNY Oswego and returned to campus over 20 years ago as the coordinator of first-year programs. I became the Director of EXCEL in 2017. EXCEL is located in the Marano Campus Center in the Compass. We share the space with Career Services and the Student Orientation and Family Engagement Office. EXCEL offers a variety of experiential learning opportunities where undergraduate and graduate students can participate in high-impact experiences they can take credit for. We have an awesome team of staff who are here to support students in their pursuit of applied learning experiences. Our office manager, Diane Carroll, and our administrative assistant, Allison McGinley, are available to help guide students through the process of registration for internships and co-ops, and to answer questions you may have about EXCEL in our programs. Upper division undergraduates and graduate students can participate in internships for up to 12 credits or complete a full-time 0-credit co-op. As you can see by the pictures, SUNY Oswego students have done internships on campus, locally in Oswego, regionally in places like Syracuse or Rochester, nationally and internationally. As a SUNY Oswego alum and a 30-year employee of the college, Sheila Cooley, the Associate Director of EXCEL, supports and meets with students to advise them and help them with their internship and co-op program requirements and needs. If students are awarded a co-op scholarship, Sheila will meet with those students regularly to guide them through the co-op program process. She also works with international students and any student who wants to do international internships or co-ops. If you have any questions about a Disney internship, she is our Disney representative as well. Sheila also coordinates and instructs our GST 101 Professional Skills Preparatory course that helps undergraduate students gain critical skills and workplace competencies that employers desire in successful candidates for employment. Our internship coordinator, Tina Cooper, is a 2015 SUNY Oswego graduate who credits experiential learning as the key factor in deciding her career trajectory. With a degree in biochemistry and a very unique career path, she knows the importance of hands-on learning when shaping professional goals. Tina works with students and sites to develop internship programs to meet their needs. She works closely with the Oswego and Syracuse area sites and also manages the on-campus internship program so students can gain experience right in their own backyard. Have a new site or type of internship idea? Tina can help make it happen. EXCEL also supports programs that engage students from all majors in our community through mentoring and service learning programs as early as their first year. Mallory Bauer, our first-year experience coordinator, has worked at SUNY Oswego since 2013 in various roles. Her main goal is to make sure our students find a sense of belonging on our campus. She helps plan and implement our orientation and success course for the incoming first-year class. She trains and supervises a team of first-year success coaches who help mentor students on things like academic success, making friends, personal well-being, and getting connected at Oswego. Sean Milligan and Jen Joyce are our Focus Forward coordinators and work with our community partners to create a program that has been sought out by several local school districts. Focus Forward is a school-based mentoring program where SUNY Oswego students take a mentoring class to prepare them to go into several of the local middle schools and high schools to mentor students and help them see what it would be like to be a college student. Along with supporting Focus Forward, Sean is an alum and teaches experiential courses both for EXCEL and the English department. Jen also supports many EXCEL experiential learning initiatives, most recently, Refreshing and Teaching Leadership in Your Field. The Oswego Children's Project teaches students how to utilize play techniques to help elementary school children make connections to the schools and the college child associates. Brittany Meyer is our OCP coordinator and works with the school counselors in the Oswego City School District. She is currently a psychologist for a local school district, but started as a child associate for OCP before becoming the graduate assistant for the program and finally the coordinator. Melanie Smith was also a former OCP Child Associate, Graduate Assistant, and Coordinator. She currently works at the Child Advocacy Center as a counselor and continues to be an active part of EXCEL. Both Brittany and Melanie teach sections of our Professional Skills Prep course. EXCEL partners with several programs on campus to provide training and support in areas such as career exploration, digital marketing, peer mentoring, and peer education through a variety of GST courses. There are opportunities for interns and graduate assistants to help with implementation, marketing, and assessment of all EXCEL programs. EXCEL is here to support your experiential learning needs. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook and check out our website. There is something for everyone. Thank you.